जब मेरा ग्रेजुएशन ख़त्म हुआ तो मैं ऑनलाइन बहुत देख रही थी कि मैं इसके बाद क्या करूँ। आई वॉज इंक्लाइन टूवर्ड्स रिटेल मैनेजमेंट, देन मेरा उसमें इतना इंटरेस्ट नहीं बना, सो मेरे को फेसबुक के थ्रू ही पता चला था अकेडमी ऑफ पेस्ट्री आर्ट्स का।
I visited the Gurgaon branch and I was awestruck.
My name is Alisha Falero and I've been part of the hospitality industry for over 10 years now. I've been working with the academy for the last 5 years. तो APCA चालू हुआ 2011 में मलेशिया में. One of our co-founders, Chef Niklesh Sharma, he found the need for pastry education across the world when he himself traveled abroad and attended courses and realized that there was a strong need for education in pastry.
Sixth standard से इंटरेस्ट था and I've been doing short term courses in my school or other schools and small home bakeries. But then जब यहाँ आए पार्ट टाइम चेक करने के लिए, I was just overwhelmed इन लोग का रिस्पॉन्स देख के, how they work, इनके equipments and all. I've been to other institutes also, but इतने अच्छे chefs, ना इतने अच्छे equipments, कुछ भी नहीं था, so it had to be this only.
We have two main certifications. One is a full-time professional program in pastry as well as another full-time program in culinary. These last across 9 months and it is an advanced level diploma that you get at the end of the 9-month program. We also have a part-time certificate program which is for hobbyists, people who want to pursue it as a passion. This runs across 12 weekends. And this is also operational in all 3 centers in India as well as abroad. We currently also have started a 3-year degree program and our first batch is ongoing for this program. So the best part about this program is because it's so much of a skill-based program, we allow any person, any individual above the age of 16 to be able to join the course. There are people from varied backgrounds, so if you see our batch, there is a multitude of people from different age groups because there are people who realize they want to pursue pastry at a very young age. There are some who want to change their career midway through their journey of life, and we have a range of students. We even had a 60-year-old student, so it's so varied in terms of the kind of people that come because of their reasons at different points of life. जो अपना फुल टाइम प्रोग्राम है वो 2 अलग सर्टिफिकेशंस है. एक पेस्ट्री का अलग है जो 9 मंथ्स का प्रोग्राम है और एक कलिनरी का अलग है जो और मतलब 9 मंथ्स का प्रोग्राम है. अगर आप 3 इयर्स का डिग्री प्रोग्राम कर लेते हो तो ये दोनों साथ में जुड़ के प्लस इंडस्ट्रियल एक्सपीरियंस भी ऐड करके यू कैन डू अ 3-year प्रोग्राम विच इज़ नाउ अवेलेबल एट द अकेडमी. So most of our faculty has worked in hotels and restaurants in India, some even abroad. So they have very varied experience in the industry. We also take part in international competition. So the faculty is of very high level in terms of expertise and knowledge. We also undertake training from various master chefs from across the world to upgrade our skills. So we are constantly upgrading ourselves to keep in tune with what is happening in the industry internationally at the moment.
I like the chefs and I also like what all they have in their planning. Like they plan really well.
Products and the chefs here were incredible, which made me more interested and I joined this field.
Unlike a hotel management institute, APCA में हमारे सारे classes hands on होते हैं. तो you will have full on practical as well as hands on practice for everything that's happening. Every class is practical. The theory classes that happen are only for 3 weeks across the 9 months. So once you have finished the 9-month program, you are fit enough to start your own business, which is what most of our students do. You can also get into the hospitality industry. जो hotels हैं आप उसमें भी काम कर सकते हो. आप उस level पे पहुंच जाते हो जो मतलब इतना highly skilled आप हो जाते हो 9 months, क्योंकि full hands-on course है. तो you are so skilled that you can get even the level of a supervisor in a hotel. But as I said, most students they prefer कि अपना ही business खोले.
My course is just ending this week, so I plan to do an internship, and after that I want to go back to my town and open a small cafe or a bakery.
So after this, I'll go abroad and then I'll decide. Open up a small cafe only.
Right now, my course will be completing in a week. So I've applied for internships and other opportunities. So yeah, I'll be doing my internship for first 6 months, and then I'm starting off thinking of opening something of my own.